Today my husband gave me the day off, so I am going to go to Panera Bread and get some knitting done. I kind of have this idea that I want to try to replace my screen time today with knitting time. And I think the last time I checked my screen time average for last week was like 5 hours, I think, or maybe 6. So I'm gonna see if I can fit in that much amount of knitting today. What is it called? What is the word when you do it all at once? It won't be all at the same time. I'm going to time myself because I'm probably going to hang out at Panera Bread for a while, and then I'm probably going to like maybe shop a little bit and then come home. So I'm just going to time myself every time I sit down and knit and see if I can match my goal. And I also have to check my screen time because I'm not sure that it was 6 hours. That's just like what I remember, but it might be more, it might be less. So, but yeah, I'm gonna drive to Panera right now. It's about a 30-minute drive, and here we go. Just arrived at the Panera Bread. So the drive was really nice. It's super hot today in Denver, but there's also, it's like the middle of summer, so all the wildflowers are blooming and it's so pretty. I'm gonna try to find an area where it's kind of secluded. This is my first time filming in public, so I'm like a little bit self-conscious about it. I brought my project. What I'm working on today is my autumn sweater. It's the melange sweater by Petite Knit is the pattern, but I'm not making it melange. I'm just using one strand of DK weight yarn. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that today. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and order and sit down and get all set up. I got a nice little seat outside. I got my food. I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat really quick and then I will start my knitting. Starting to hit me and it's starting to get pretty hot, but I made a lot of progress. I finished off this left shoulder and then I cast on, or I picked up stitches for the right shoulder, and I also wove in all my ends, and I got a lot done, and I timed myself, and so far I'm at 30 minutes. I got quite a bit done at Panera. I got almost 40 minutes done at Panera. I think I'm gonna head home and then yeah, just try to clock more hours. I just got home. I changed into my comfy clothes. I'm gonna get cozy. I'm gonna get Sopranos on the TV, and I'm gonna keep going. The 2-hour mark, so I think I'm gonna take a break and grab something to eat, and then I'll keep going. Myself a little coffee treat, and I'm ready to keep going. I just passed the 2-hour mark. I don't know if I said that already. And my goal is 5 hours and 37 minutes. That was my screen time for yesterday. So I'm aiming to hit that goal today. I'm 2 hours in, so I've got 3 hours and 37 minutes to go. Past the three hour mark, so I've got 2 to go and 37 minutes. And yeah, so I wanted to give a quick progress update. So this is all the progress that I've made today, is completing this shoulder, completely starting and finishing this shoulder, and then joining them, which doesn't seem like a whole lot in the grand scheme of things, but now all I really have to do is finish up the front yoke so that it matches the length of the back yoke, and then I'm just joining and then working in the round after that, completing the rest of the body of the sweater. And this is pretty crazy for me because all together this has only been on the needles for 3 days at this point, which is the fastest I've ever worked up a sweater. But yeah, this is the progress I've made so far with 3 hours. I've got 2 left to go, so I'll see how far I get. Also, watching Sopranos always makes me really crave Italian food, so I'm thinking with this next break I take, I think I'm gonna go with my daughter to the grocery store and pick up some spaghetti or some kind of pasta, because like watching this show makes me want pasta like so bad. Just make a manicotti. The feminine urge to eat Italian food. Okay, we're coming up on the afternoon. It is about 4:30 right now, so it's almost dinner time. I have the manicotti in the oven, and I'm feeding my youngest dinner right now. She skipped her afternoon nap, so she's probably gonna go to bed early. And then I think after everyone's settled, while I'm waiting for the manicotti to cook, I'm probably gonna try to fit a little bit more knitting in. Just finished hour 4. I have 1 hour and 37 minutes left to go. And this is what it's looking like. It's pretty crazy that this whole section, which is only like 2 inches long, took me like almost an hour to do. Like knitting works up so slow compared to crochet. Anyone out there who has long hair, do you have the issue where your hair, you start knitting your hair into your work? Because that kept happening to me and it was driving me insane. I'm pretty confident I can reach my goal because I have 1 hour 37 minutes to go, and I usually knit for about that long anyway at the end of the day. So it's time for all of us to start winding down. We're gonna have bedtime soon, and then after that I'll probably pick it back up and get back to it. On the last hour now, I just passed 37 minutes since I started. So I have exactly 1 hour to go, and I'm honestly like not even tired of knitting. I thought by the end of today I would be like, I don't know, like getting kind of bored of it or tired of it, but I love knitting. Like, I don't know, I feel crazy because of how much I like it. It's so like meditative. Yeah, I have an hour left. point now where I'm done with the front yoke and I'm about to join for the body. So I got so much done today. Realistically, I wish I could replace all my screen time all the time with knitting, but it's just not realistic. Just like not super practical to carry around a big project everywhere. If you stayed this long, thanks for watching. I'm gonna make some celebratory popcorn and go to bed. Bye.